Hello friends, I am speaking to you from Kingmakers Academy. My name is Vivek Harinarayan. I am an IAS officer of the Tamil Nadu cadre from the 1980 batch, and I am one of the key persons and the director involved as part of to ensure that you have a personality development to make you an IAS officer, to make you a civil servant, to ensure that you crack the prelims, the mains, and ultimately the personality test. Now you should be wondering, there are so many academies, so why should I choose Kingmakers Academy? Let me give you some reasons. The first reason, I think, which is really very important, is that we have a very strong team of actual almost 15 to 20 bureaucrats who will come and teach you and who will be with you right through from the time when you join till the time when you will start and think of giving your prelims, which will be in June 2020. So these are actual people who have seen success, and these are real people who will be with you, not just some people in a brochure or in a poster, actually coaching you and talking to you. The second reason, which I think, is that the scope of coverage. More than 10,000 preliminary questions and more than 300 questions of the mains which are attempted and solved at the Kingmakers Academy by people who have succeeded. Not just by people who are in theory, it's theory and people who have practically succeeded and are civil servants themselves. Do we take very large batches? The answer is no. We take a small batch. The idea is that individualized focus cannot be compromised upon when you are preparing for the civil services. It's a small batch, and each one gets individual attention at Kingmakers Academy. And that is important because it's not like one big room where you are just sitting somewhere invisible, unknown. Each one is known, each one is talked to, each one is spoken to, because each one of you is unique. Each one of you has different problems. Each one of you has different apprehensions, understanding. So dealing with you individually, mentors, more than 100 bureaucrats who will come during the entire course between now and when you go for your first examination in June 2020. More than 100 civil servants of different nature, of different types, of different seniority will come and individually attend to you to ensure that you are able to succeed. So we don't stand by you, we are not with you only at the time of your enrollment. We are with you not just at the time of enrollment, but virtually standing by you during this entire period till you become and succeed in the civil servant. Now, how do we do it? We do it because we have a 5-phase training program. In the first phase, we are basically doing an introduction and clarity about what is the civil services and some basic concepts. In the second phase, which we do, we cover the prelims and the mains syllabus. Now, this is from the time when you join till a little before the mains prelim examination. For about 7 to 8 months this goes on. In the last 3 months, it is what we call the PSLP, which is the Preliminary Examination Strategic Learning Program. PSLP is kind of really grinds you into ensuring, and you would have seen one other video. If you have not, please do that. A video by Vivek. Vivek is from the 2018 batch, and he talks about how he was able to crack the prelims not once but twice and got more than 150 marks. This is what happens at Kingmakers Academy. Easy 120. Easily you can score 120. That is what is done in this PSLP program, which is the Preliminary Examination Strategic Learning Program. Moving on from there, when you've cracked the prelims and you've gotten, then we do an MSLP, which is the Mains Strategic Learning Program, learning all about how to crack. But while you're doing the mains, we take over and ensure that your personality development is already started, because our assumption in Kingmakers is that we will help you succeed and that you will succeed. So the personality development is not something which happens after the mains examination. It virtually begins somewhere between the preliminary examination success and the start of the main examination. So when you crack the main examination, you're almost halfway there. And then we take you, and I take it, and I'm the director in charge of the personality development program. I will take you into right from how do you enter into the room to how do you sit to how do you answer, how do you say, I don't know the answer? How do you remain confident in a personality? And I'm so happy and proud to tell you that this year, one of my students, Chitra, she topped the examination. She is All India #1 in the just concluded civil services examination, All India in the personality, getting 206 marks out of 275. I'm also exceptionally proud and happy to tell you that one of our students, Rishabh, who's got 21 rank in this thing and is the Tamil Nadu topper, he is also coached by me. 21 out of 35. That is the number of children who have qualified in the just concluded civil service examination from Kingmakers Academy. All of them personally coached. They all came not knowing what to do and have come out thinking like officers, like successful officers. So these are some of the reasons. The other value adds which we do is a good morning test. Every day morning you are expected to read the newspaper. We do the good morning test. So it's so many things. The good morning test, Yojana, Kurukshetra. There are so many modules. Come and discover. Come and learn more about Kingmakers Academy, where you walk in with a question mark over your head, but you go out as a successful civil servants. Join Kingmakers Academy. I am Vivek Harinarayan, 1980 batch, Tamil Nadu cadre, part of Kingmakers Academy. Thank you so much.
தன்னுடைய பேருக்கு பின்னாடி IAS IPS போட்டுக்கிட்டு அந்த குழந்தைகளோடு சேர்த்து அந்த பெற்றோர்களும் தங்கள் வாழ்நாள் முழுக்க சுமந்த ஒரு கனவு கலெக்டர். உங்களுக்குள் ஒளிந்திருக்கக்கூடிய அந்த கனவுக்கு நனவாக்கக்கூடிய ஒரு பொன்னான வாய்ப்பை வழங்குகிறது கிங்மேக்கர்ஸ் IAS அகாடமி வழங்கக்கூடிய ஸ்கிரீன்ல தெரியுற இந்த நம்பருக்கு ஃபோன் பண்ணி உடனே ரெஜிஸ்டர் பண்ணுங்க. உங்களுக்குள் ஒளிந்திருக்கும் அந்த கலெக்டரை கைத்தட்டி சல்யூட் அடித்து வெளியே வரவழைத்து இந்த பாரதத்தை காப்போம்.